I'm Geeta Nair. I take fashion designing classes in South Delhi Polytechnic for last 30 years. I'm part-time now because of children and all. So I became, and my health issues, I became part-time. It's new challenges every day, keeping myself up to date with the new trends in the country or the city or the world. And then it's a nice utilizing my life, not sitting at home, not doing anything, instead teaching children and making them do something in their lives. I was born in Panipat and my school was in Rohtak. College was from Lady Irwin, New Delhi. And then I did my MSc from Chandigarh, and that's it. Then I taught in university for 1 year in Hisar. After that I got married, came to Delhi. Then I never thought of doing a job, but somehow when I had children and all that, I just got into this job. I had a very nice childhood. My father was staying in Rohtak at that time. So we had a very privileged childhood. We had huge bungalows to live in, lots of lawns, and they used to throw parties and all. So I had a very privileged childhood. My father, Mr. Ella Rajpal, and my mother, Mrs. Phool Rajpal. And my father was in electricity board. He retired as a chairman in '94. He was a very generous man. He was a very dominating man, and he aspired to be do the best and achieve something in life. And my mother was a social worker in family planning. She was also working. My father was a very dominating personality. He had a very good tenure of his official life. He was a very strong personality. So he's really had a influence in our lives. My mother was a gentle person, is a gentle person. My father passed away 2 years back, but my mother is still there, and she's a very gentle person. I would say, she's not dominating, but in a very subdued style. She gets what she wants to do, and she can influence other people in a very silent way. She's a very gentle and a nice person. I've got 2 brothers, younger brothers. My elder brother is Gulshan Rajpal. Elder means he's older of the 2, but younger to me, and he is into business. And my younger brother is IS. He is Sudhir Rajpal. He is in Haryana cadre, and he is working as Joint Principal Secretary now. And he stood second in India when he gave his exams for IS. He's a very good person, kind-hearted. Over good sometimes, which I don't like it, but he's a good person. I've got 2 children. My son Gaurav, he's doing very well in his life and he's a very good son. And my daughter Sonal, she's also doing very well in her life. She's also working, and she's also my very good friend. Children are touchwood good to us. Got 2 grandchildren. My granddaughter from my son, she's my lifeline. And now I've got another grandson through my daughter, Dev. And my granddaughter is Samaira. And Dev, he's just 1+ now and very cute. I go to Gurgaon. My daughters live in Gurgaon. So they both are working, my son-in-law and my daughter. So we have, divided the days of a week. Sometimes her mother-in-law comes to look after the grandson. Sometimes I go there to look after him. So this is how we are working out to take care of him. I believe in God a lot. And I think Bhagwan ki marzi ke bina patta bhi nahi hilta. And so whatever is in your, whatever comes in your life, accept it. I think success is whatever you are happy with. One can be very rich, but they are not happy. So what's the idea of being rich? It should be contentment. You should be happy with your life. Your children are doing well. Should have enough money so that you can enjoy small things of life. Not too much money. Good people like you. People respect you. This is what success is. When I go to college, students like me, they appreciate me. This is what I like basically. Nowadays, though, I relax. I used to do paintings before. All these paintings in the house are mine. But now I go to college, I teach, come, relax, I do socializing, see movies, and I love traveling. I should do more often. I've joined gym, but I haven't been. I go for walks. I should do more. I know, जो मैं नहीं कर रही is because of cold or whatever the reason. I'm a lazy person. But one should do yoga and all, and go for walks. One should eat healthy food. This is what I believe in. Easy. I don't hassle around too much thinking. Don't think negative of others. Take life easy. Everywhere. We've been to US. Last year we went to, this time we were in Australia. Last year New Zealand and Australia. So in January we were going to Dubai. So wherever life, even we went last night, we were in Moria staying for one night. So anywhere, just be out of the house and enjoy life. I don't mind going to Agra, doing anything, just go somewhere and enjoy the weather and enjoy yourself. Mostly we go with friends or children, so we enjoy. My hobby is now watching TV, not even watching TV, just enjoy the life. Go out, go to the market, meet friends. I spend my day with my daughter-in-law also goes to my husband's office. So I spend my day with my granddaughter. So that is my hobby now. She's going to be 7 now. So some years are left when she will be coming to us. After that she will become independent. So I think enjoy the most of her. जो उसके 2-3 साल बच्चे हमारे साथ, उसके बाद तो उसने हमें पूछना भी नहीं है. तो enjoy with her. So I enjoy with my granddaughter and my grandson. Yeah. I love films and music. We mostly go for pictures at night. रात को 10-11 बजे का शो देखते हैं हम, चले जाते हैं उठ के यहीं पास में. So I love any movie, but I like the movies which are happy movies. I don't like serious movies at all. Happy ending. मैं तो मंदिर भी not like my husband. I go to mandirs and all, but of course I've started believing in do good for others, and that is the God basically. I have joined recently Buddhism practice. So I believe God is within everybody, and everybody is God. So believe in good in everybody. Don't find evil in anybody, and do good for others, and believe in your karmas and do good for others. तुम्हारे साथ अपने आप अच्छा होगा. I'm a member of Rotary Club and I'm a member of Inner Wheel Club. So we are doing social work quite a lot. We do, in my Inner Wheel Club, we give charities to old people, old homes, and then we give to all those needy ones. We do marriages of poor girls and medicines to many people who need and who don't have money, that way. I have enjoyed my life. That's good enough. Just old life should also go reasonably well. This is my wish. We don't suffer or have bad health or something. My sport, everybody, my husband, my children, my parents, everybody. Do the best in your life. Be good people, good for others, and everything will fall okay. Be good people. Think good of others. Find good in everybody and do good for others. After 60, I think your responsibilities are finished. Children are independent. You basically depend on your husband, wife, each other. Everybody is busy. So you should find some way of spending your time. Do charity work, join some social services, join some clubs, go for cards even, go to club for playing. Like my mother, she's 85 now. She goes to Gymkhana Club every day at 11 in the morning, comes back at 3 and they play rummy. So this is good way of spending time. Do something, whatever reading, whatever you want to do, and meet people. Meet people, good people. Meet good people, the people who bring happiness to your life. The ones who are not happy people, stay away from them. Meet people who are happy in life and touch wood. बल्कि it's not happy सब नहीं होते, कोई ना कोई problem सबको होती है. But try to find something good. That way you should stay. प्रॉब्लम तो सबको ही होंगी, कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम सबको है. Everybody is not happy, but try to find happiness and be happy with whatever God has given you. Should be happy.